This is Module 2, Topic 1, Lesson 1, Talk the Talk activity. It says, demonstrate how to solve any type of percent problem with proportions. Number 1, you're going to write each proportion with a variable in the appropriate place to calculate each specific unknown. So based on the unknown, you are going to place your variable in the correct spot to show how you would solve for that unknown variable, whether it's the percent, the part, or the whole. I'm going to give you an example of what that might look like. Here's an example. 1a asks to calculate the percent. So the percent and where the percent goes in that proportion, I know that is where I'm going to place my variable, right above that 100. And then I would cross multiply and divide to solve for that x. When I isolate the variable, I get the equation x is equal to part divided by whole times 100. And that's going to give me the percentage for this proportion. Now do the same thing, set up a proportion and solve for the part and solve for the whole. And here is what you should have gotten. To calculate the part, our unknown value goes above the whole in the proportion, and then you solve for x. The equation you come up with is x is equal to the whole number times the percent in decimal form, of course, divided by 100. Sorry, I misspoke, not in decimal form, because we're talking about proportions here. And then C, to calculate the whole number, our x or unknown value would go underneath the part, and the equation that you would come up with is x is equal to part divided by percent times 100, and that'll give you your whole or your original value. And that completes this activity. See you in the next video.